As a teenager, how would you want to generate money online? Today's video is dedicated to our teen viewers since we understand how difficult it can be at times, and we felt it was past time to present you with some money-making websites as well. However, this can also apply to those who aren't teens, such as those who have duties or are newbies, but these websites are excellent. We're going to show you 4 websites where you can work and make money without any prior experience or expertise. We all know that finding a job as a teenager or rookie may be tough. However, certain jobs do not require you to connect with other people, and you can easily earn over $1,000 each month while working at home or in your bedroom. Now we're going to go over this in detail, so make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end so you don't get confused with today's strategy. And don't skip any parts because if you do, you're not going to get the results you want. This will be an incredibly simple way to make money online in 2022. And I'll show you how to utilize the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end. And before we get into this brand new video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Our first website for today is this. It's right in front of your screen. And to get to their website, you just need to type in the URL that I'm going to be revealing later. On this website, this is actually going to pay you to tutor the English language to other people. Now, this website doesn't need proficient English tutors. All you need to know are the basics. Can you imagine? Now, as long as you're able to at least converse in English, which we assume that you can since you're currently watching today's video, you're pretty much perfect for this website. Most of the people that you're going to find here are foreigners who just want to improve their English a little bit, which means that most work you're probably going to have is exchanging conversations in English with these people. And that's it. You earn. You won't need to have some type of record or any certification to enter this website, and as long as you're a native English speaker or you're bilingual, you're all set. Once you've applied and started working, all of your level in this platform will increase, and in that way, so will your earnings, which is great. It's very easy to do, and there's really no harm in trying. So you really need to make sure that you try this website out. Of course, the website itself is very easy, and the sign-up process is just as quick and easy as the whole teaching process. Just sign up and start making money online. Do note that they pay out through PayPal, so it's best that you have your PayPal account ready before registering on this platform so that there won't be any issue in payment and you can get paid easily without conflict whatsoever. Another great thing about this first site is that a lot of these people are from some places that could be morning in their time and night in our time, or your time. So it's great because you can choose to work whenever, wherever, and how long you'd like. So it's like a job that's there for you on standby. And when you need money, it'll still be there, just waiting. You can just make $10 an hour, and given the fact that all you need to do is just talk to people, $10 an hour is more than enough. And by the way, the name of the first website is Cambly.com. Just type in the URL, Cambly.com, and make money online with it. Now let's continue to our second website, which is called Try My UI. And you can find that by typing in TryMyUI.com. And then you should see this. Now these are for those people who don't like talking to other people, those who are more on the shy side. Now, this is going to be perfect for you because this website will basically pay you to review games, websites, and sometimes even products before they're even released. That's really all to it. They'll give you maybe a game or a website or any type of product for you to test out. And after everything, you're going to have to give your most honest opinion about it so that they know what to change and what to keep and what to alter, and you'll just get paid for that. They pay you $10 per review, and you can easily make at least $50 every hour by doing so. So that is it for this website, so make sure that you try this out. Now our third website is called GoTranscript.com. And we've talked about this before, but we wanted to bring it back in today's video because this is actually also perfect for those who are shy to talk or interact. On GoTranscript, you're going to be paid to convert speech to text. You can earn 60 cents per minute of transcription, and usually the minimum audio that GoTranscript receives or that you'll be asked to transcribe is about 5 minutes. And that would be an easy $3 for literally only 5 minutes of transcription, which is just insane. Let's say that you're able to complete at least 10 5-minute transcriptions for a day. That's already $30, all in a day's work. And you didn't even have to leave the house or get ready or anything like that. And you can even do more than just 10 transcriptions. If you want to go extra, that's why this website is so great, is it won't require any skill from you at all. And just make sure that you can type and you can try your best that quick, which is honestly great. So try this website out. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Okay, our fourth and last website is called Rev.com. And yes, we've talked about this at least a million times, but we're never gonna get tired of telling you guys about it. With only one website, you can have 3 different methods of making money online. You can earn through transcribing, captioning, and if you're really crazy, you can even do the foreign subtitle jobs. Now, transcribing with this website, you can earn $1.25 per minute, which is clearly way more than GoTranscript. But that's why we know that this is a great opportunity for you because it pays way more. But if you want to go for captioning, which is another basic way to earn money, then you're also going to be paid $1.25 per minute as well. And like I said, if you want to go a little crazy and participate in the foreign subtitle job too, you can earn $3 to $7 per minute, which is just awesome. So what are you waiting for? With that out of the way, we want you to like this video, share it, and click off the video, and go straight ahead to all 4 websites that we showed you and start earning and making at least $100 a day while still being a student. Now to recap, first is Cambly.com for the English tutors out there, and we have Try My UI for people who want to test websites, test out games, and give their honest opinions, and we have GoTranscript for those who just want to earn by transcribing. And finally, we have Rev.com for those who want to earn by transcribing, captioning, and doing foreign subtitles, so try these out. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.